Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to import BullX private key to Phantom wallet. Alright, let's begin. If you don't have an account on BullX, no need to worry, you can go to your Telegram account and search for the BullX bot, and you'll be redirected to an interface where you can set up the BullX account. You need to have a Telegram account before that because BullX picks your Telegram username, and make sure that your Telegram username is set. After that, go to the search bar and search for BullX bot, and you will be redirected to this interface, which is now the homepage of your BullX. In order to go to your respective wallet and import the private key, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see multiple options. Select Wallet Manager over here, and you'll be redirected to the Wallet Manager. Now click on Wallets, and you'll be able to see an interface like this. You can see that I've already created a new wallet, so it's written download private key. Click on it and download the private key. However, if you don't really have any private key right now, you can click on new wallet. After that, create a new wallet, and you'll see that the new wallet was generated successfully. Click on download private key, since first I had one, and now I've created a new wallet. I have two wallets and private keys. Click on download private key. And once it's downloaded, you need to verify that you will not be able to download the private key again. Click on the checkbox to acknowledge that the keys cannot be downloaded again. Now you can see the keys that I downloaded. Copy this key and go back to your Phantom wallet. Go back to Phantom and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. This is your home page and you need to add a private key. Click on your account at the top left, then click on Add or Connect Wallet at the bottom. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to an interface where you can add or connect a wallet. Click on Import Private Key in the option and select the type of network you wish to add. You can see I've added Solana. Once you've added the address and typed down the private key, you can then set a name. Once done, click on Import and your private key will be added. So that's basically how you can import BullX private key to Phantom wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.